Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. My name is Graham and welcome to my show. And I want to do something a little different today because I realize like 85% of my audience is male. And chances are this video is going to be perfect because it's just titled Pickup Artist Boot Camp by Channel 5 with Andrew Callaghan. Which I gotta say, his channel is absolutely incredible. He goes behind the scenes, he gets the footage that no one else is able to get, and this is no exception. So with that said, guys, let's make sure to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and now let's begin.
The girl will probably be in front of you at a time when you don't expect it.
It makes it seem like this is some like big hunt. You know, it's like
she's gonna be right there, and you have to sneak up behind her.
It's like we're doing like football tactics here. It's be like, you're gonna be on that side, you're gonna be over here, then we're gonna come at this angle over here. It's like, wow, it's complicated.
Every hot girl that you see at some point was a little baby wearing diapers, and at some point will be an elder woman.
Our assignment?
I love that. Wow, I mean, it really puts it in perspective. At one point, they were a baby. And then at another point, they're going to be an elder woman. Now, in fairness, though, I get what he's trying to say. You shouldn't necessarily put people up on a pedestal because of how they look, because looks fade. So you should never do that. It should be based on a person's character, personality, all that sort of stuff. I get that principle.
After an intense few weeks on the road, I needed a pick-me-up, so to speak. That's when I discovered Vince Kelvin, a pickup artist who holds the Guinness Book record for most makeouts in a human lifetime.
Wait a second, is that actually a Guinness record? Who verifies this stuff? Yeah, so I'm looking through this. I don't see anything about this guy Vince having a Guinness Book of World Record so to speak. So I don't know.
Over 5,000 makeouts.
Vince Kelvin, the king of makeouts, hands down, over 230 makeouts last year. This guy's insane, a ridiculous game.
How does he not just like get something? I feel like by this point, you have to have built up such a strong immunity to just basically everything. Because with 5,000 makeouts, like you're transferring so many things between people that shouldn't probably be spread. If one of them has, you know, I don't know what it might be, but here Vince is with 5,000 makeouts.
Vince is also a salesman. He sells DVDs online, such as thunder texting.
Wait, this guy's still selling DVDs? There's no way. VinceKelvin.com, okay, products. Here we go. So we're gonna go to products. Are these actual DVDs? Wow, I think it's an actual DVD. This is crazy. I had not been sold a DVD in probably 10 years at this point. But here's Vince. He's the only one who does it. He has the Guinness Book of World Records for still selling DVDs. And he's got this one. It's called the Complete Kings of Pickup Collection. $897. Who buys that? I'm so curious.
I learned that for only $129, I could join Vince's Brotherhood.
Wow, it's $129 a month. I'm wondering how many people pay that though. And just forget about it. It's just like this recurring charge. They're just too lazy to cancel it. But you know what? They're in the Brotherhood.
And soon, I was invited to a private boot camp at an undisclosed location. I was told nothing else but to meet my contact in the lobby of the Mirage Casino in Las Vegas.
So this right here is where our journey begins. We're in the lobby of the Mirage. What's going on? Hanging out, enjoying paradise.
Where are we?
The lobby of the Mirage.
And what's important about the lobby of the Mirage?
It's very Mirage-like.
I am so curious how much this costs because there's no way it's $129. It's $129 to get in the Brotherhood, and then there's going to be an upsell where you could pay even more money. My guess, it's got to be like $1,000 to $3,000. That's my guess.
So we're going to the suite that we have.
And what kind of stuff is going on up in the suite?
Can't really tell you. Yeah, you'll see. I don't know. I don't want to color it.
I don't know what this guy is wearing. It's like he's dressed for a rodeo in the middle of Las Vegas, but I don't know if he's going to be wrangling anything tonight. We'll see.
How you doing?
My name's Andrew. Good to meet you.
Andrew.
This is a basic structure for interaction flow. First, we gotta make comments. We don't do pickup lines. They're retarded. Wow, your hair.
Wow. Your hair.
Wow.
You could say
Your hair.
You go, wow, interesting outfit.
Someone should say that about him. He's got the interesting outfit here. You know what? In fact, pretty much all of them do. With this, even the guy with the little ponytail coming out the top of his head. They all have interesting outfits.
Ideally, we say cool, interesting. Who knows? Maybe we'll run into each other again.
Who knows? Maybe we'll...
This guy kind of looks like a Johnny Depp, and then the other guy kind of looks like Frankie Muniz. you know? But they all have their own individual looks there.
Run into each other again.
Look at a woman and go, I wonder what her insecurities are.
But it depends on the context. If he takes that out of context and it sounds pretty bad, I'm sure that had to have made sense in context. Let's hope.
They are pickup artists, and these are their stories.
How's it going, guys? My name is Stanley. And I'm a singer.
Oh my God, I hate to be his neighbor. Gosh, imagine if you had a late night. You're trying to sleep in, you're taking a nap, you got a throbbing headache, you partied too much in Vegas, and this guy next door just going crazy.
Just looking for that pure self-expression so I don't hold back and really acknowledge who I am at the core.
My name's Akash Inti.
Name, Akash Inti. I also go by Air, my initials. I am born May 28th.
What's up with these guys with their shirts all kind of off a little bit? I've kind of noticed they all have the theme of having a really low cut on their shirt, showing a lot of stomach there.
And what was the last one?
Total number of makeouts.
Like ever or over the past like 24 hours? I mean,
I love how you have to clarify the makeouts. If it's like, you mean just today or like this week? I don't know. It's like, if we could just narrow it down to this hour, maybe I could give you a ballpark.
like I said, like yesterday, like probably in the hundreds.
For sure. So what brought you out here?
Vegas, I mean, come on, what else?
100 plus makeouts. It's funny. That's why I love this channel. It's just like the sense of humor here is fantastic.
Number of makeouts I've had is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, look, they're all wearing kind of the same thing. Just unbutton the shirt all the way. Buttons do not exist in this universe.
It's a big amount, but I'm not sure if I can count them on my hands.
It would be over 30. Around 30, not more than 40, I don't think. No. Yeah, Vince is the master.
What can you tell us about Vince?
Where to start, right? There's so many things. Everything from the look, the fashion, and everything like that. But also, like, truly, I'm more.
Ugh! I don't know who looks at that and just like, I don't know that. But maybe that's just not. I'm looking at it. It's so. I don't know what to say. I literally, this is the only picture that I'm like, I don't know what to say. No comment.
Marvelous, like communicator, not only with women on the streets, but just overall.
Oh, that's so uncomfortable. It's awkward for me to watch. Very few videos I look at this and I'm like, I want to just. All right, that's enough internet today. I mean, what if we just ended the video here? All right, guys, so with that said, no, I'm kidding. We'll keep going. Don't worry.
So our first mission is to bring more ease, to be open, to be a person that it's easy to be around you.
I'm curious how this guy gets in a car. Like, you have to think his hair is up so high. It's like 12 inches. You have to get in like that. And he can't rest his head on anything because then it would ruin the back. So he's just got to be standing this entire time.
I'm a little more decisive than most people. I can have a little more fun than most people. But you don't want to be the nice guy with whom they had a nice conversation.
Well, I'm just about to catch up. We were just going across the street. I'm tempted to say we stay in touch. Who's the secretary out of the three of you?
Oh no, it seems like he's putting on a charade. This is the big show here. He's got to basically do the song and dance and then hope that one of them throws a bone.
We're all married.
Well, I hope you guys have a very strong marriage, or is it like...
Oh no, they just said he's married. So how is his follow-up be like,
well, how is your marriage?
Listen, just by default, if they say they're married, just end it there. Like, boyfriend, fine, end it there. They're not interested. Don't go into the details about their relationship to find a little crack there. Be like,
oh, he doesn't spend time with you enough. Oh, well, I'll spend time with you. I'm advanced. Why isn't he here? Because he doesn't care about me? Well, I care about you. I'm here.
Well, here I am just exercising my ability to communicate with everyone, right? This is what we do in the world.
Oh, I love how he just leaves them with a golden nugget. This is how we communicate in the world. This is how we do it.
Hey, whose party is it?
What you mean? It's our
What you mean? It's your party? Where's the party?
Oh, it's so awkward. It's so bad. Oh, imagine just standing there. It's like he's standing in the middle of the sidewalk just waiting for somebody to talk to. And listen, and I get it. It takes a lot of courage to go and walk up to a stranger like that. It's just, you know what? Practice makes perfect. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah. Right there, if you don't get much of a response right away, don't go into a question. Make a comment about your take on it.
I like to party.
No. I know it's weird because he's following them. Like, he was obviously not going in this direction. He was facing the other way. And now as they're walking, he's just walking with them. Imagine they go into the store and he just follows them into the store. That's when they're gonna get creeped out. No.
Like fear of rejection and stuff like that. Like if I went up to a girl and she said no or like didn't, I took it really hard on myself. And it kind of made me not want to go out there and put myself out there, so I kind of made myself even more closed off.
Have you ever been in a relationship before?
Yeah, kind of in one right now.
What? That threw me for a curveball. So he's in a relationship going to a pickup artist boot camp. Either he's not in a relationship, or the girl he's with has no idea they're in a relationship, or he's in a relationship and a bad partner. Or maybe it's just part of their agreement. I have a feeling he's maybe went on a date or two with somebody. They're like maybe so-so with them. Maybe nothing is official yet and he's doing that. That's what I think.
With who?
It's my neighbor.
See, this is the type of situation where it's like the neighbor would watch this and be like, I'm not in a relationship with him. He just said hi to me when I was throwing out the trash. I've talked to the guy for like 5 minutes before in my life. We've never been alone together. I don't know why he's saying we're in a relationship now. That's the vibes I'm getting here.
For sure. Is it exclusive?
It's pretty exclusive. Yeah, it's going good.
What? There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. I don't think so. I don't think so. I just don't believe him. I don't know why. It's just, I don't believe that story.
Your beingness, you know, that people are able to pick up on that. I mean, that's how we met earlier. She came by. That's how we met. It was just through this whole thing, right? So, wonderful. If I've learned anything from this whole art in and of itself, it's just understanding a person, right? Seeing like.
You know what? If I'm learning anything so far, the only thing you got to do is unbutton your shirt all the way. If you could do that, then you're gonna get somebody.
So did he pick you up last night?
So check this out. She's really, really cool, right? She just came across from the...
We got 5 makeouts last night and she was number 4. Nice.
That's what a lot of this is, right? Is exploring the unknown and really seeing what's there, right? And what can you find? I mean, there's some scary moments to it. I mean, I know for myself. I'm sure for you last night, right? Like with the, I don't know, with some of the guys out there.
Scary moments. I'm sure for you last night. It was terrifying. It's like, what are they doing?
America is back open, baby. It's makeout time.
Oh, he's adding to that Guinness Book of World Records. It's just he's got to update that every day. Be like, hey, Guinness, got another 20 for you. All right, throw it on the list. Thanks. Oh, don't do that in public. He's doing that in public. I'm like, I don't know that guy. I'm not a part of that group. I have no idea. I have no affiliation whatsoever, and just walk away. Is that the only thing he could do? It sounds like a kind of like a parrot, you know, just going up really high. Gets attention, gets people to look at you, and you're like, who's that guy?
Hey, guys, quick question. Makeouts, too early or we good?
Oh. You know what? He's cutting to the chase, though. You have to admit, if your goal is just to do that, then it's a numbers game, right? If you ask 100 people, one of them has to say yes. Maybe that's his approach.
I'm Stan. Hi. Stan the man.
Hi, Stan the man.
Can I recite you a poem?
Sure.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. I didn't say I would. I said, can I?
Beneath the shadows in your eyes lies a being that...
Oh, no, you could see from the face, she's like, oh, you tried and it didn't work. Oh, I feel bad for him. The whole thing is just a big awkward cringe fest.
Hold on one sec.
So what's up? What are you guys here for? What are you celebrating?
Celebrating life. I mean, what else is there to celebrate? You know, you have to have a reason for everything.
Oh man, I don't like it when people say they celebrate life. I mean, sure, it's fine, but it's like you're celebrating. Hey, I went to the bathroom this morning. It keeps going. You don't need to celebrate something that happens all the time because then it's not a celebration.
Oh wow.
Single, that lets you know that. So what's your next move?
What's my next move? My next move is the moment.
Oh, it's awkward. I bet he's gonna go in for the makeout now. I bet he's setting this up for that, and then she's gonna turn him down. Let's see.
Next moment, the here, the now.
Okay, that's weak.
Oh gosh, see, she's over it. She opened the window. She's like, "What are you gonna do about it?" He's like, and he just recites some nonsense.
I got a next moment. Okay. Move right here.
Oh wait, no.
Ooh. No. That's bad. That's bad. The other guy probably had it for like a 5-second window where he could have gone in for a kiss and it would have been appropriate. But not this guy just like pushing everyone aside and be like, I got the moment. I got the moment. No.
And if ever a girl goes like, is that your best pickup line? You go, is that your best answer to what you think is the best pickup line?
You're watching Channel 5.
Wow, he just turned that around on them. He flipped it back. Imagine if they're like,
is that your best response to my best response to what you think I think a pickup line is?
And then you just get stumped. So you just gotta hope she doesn't say that, and as long as that doesn't happen, I think you're in the clear. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to destroy the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. Also, feel free, add me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily, and on my podcast, The Iced Coffee Hour. New episodes being posted every single Sunday. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.